Hi guys, this is Ruchi.
This is Umang.
Welcome back to our channel. So we are once again here with another fun challenge. The challenge is called Weird Pizza Challenge. The name itself tells us about the game, how funny it will be. So yeah, I'll just explain the game first.
Yes, please.
Yeah, we are having pizza base over here with us. 2 pizza bases we have, and we have 10 ingredients, from which 5 are good ingredients and
5 are not so good ingredients.
yeah. So let's start, and we have the chips in front of us. We have all the 10 ingredients named in this bowl, and we'll just pick one by one. Whoever gets the ingredient will put it, everything that goes on his or her pizza.
I mean, has to eat it.
Obviously, yeah, you have to eat it. A slice.
A slice.
A slice. Yeah. So I have Szechuan sauce, mayonnaise, corns, tomatoes, and capsicum, which are all good ingredients.
I have corn chips, jaljeera, Kit Kat, pomegranate, and soya sauce.
Oh, I don't want pomegranate at all. Okay, so first
It will be fun.
Yeah, it will be fun. Yeah. Let's see. It will be fun.
इसको क्या मिलता है?
Hope for the best. I can eat it. Okay, so we'll just start with the pizza base. I'll just put the sauce on both the pizzas.
Yes, please.
Okay, I hope it turns out good. Okay, so my pizza is done. Okay, so our pizza bases are ready. And now what we will do is we'll just pick up, we are making each other's pizza. So if I am picking up the chit, he will put the ingredient on the pizza which is on his side, basically which is mine pizza, and same vice versa. So this time I'll go first and pick my ingredient. Hope it is from the good side. Oh no, first ही करा क्या? Oh no यार. Kit Kat. I love Kit Kat, but not on pizza.
So,
Just put a little pizza.
no, ऐसा थोड़ी.
That's it.
No,
बस. कितना गंदा पंखवाड़ी का नहीं आया?
no.
ऐसे करके तुम खा लो.
That's the end. That'll be my
Your turn. Yeah.
Some good one. Tomatoes. Always starts with a good thing.
Yeah, thank you, I guess.
Just done.
That's it?
Yes.
इतना सारा खा गया.
Thanks.
Welcome. Okay.
So next we are
I'm very afraid. शेजवान सॉस और किटकैट का कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं है यार. किटकैट अभी सब चीजें बिगाड़ देगा. या इतनी है. Oh God. वो भी डालना. I cannot have that one.
already spicy हो रहा है.
Yeah. The spice इतना नहीं है but spice I hope pomegranate आ जाए.
तुझे
Oh. क्या है जरा दूर के बोल के दिखा दीजिए.
pomegranate.
Oh my God.
Thank you, Aya.
Amazing.
बस थोड़ा रुचि थोड़ा
2 स्पून. कोई भी चीज मैंने 2 स्पून से मैं नहीं डाला. Okay, fine. Now I'm little bit relieved. Okay, जो किटकैट इतनी weird लग रही है. Corns. I love corns. Yes. एक ही खराब है. Good. या दाल चना बनाना है. Okay. Yeah. Soya sauce.
That's soya.
मैं बोल रही हूँ वो हो रहा है. Can you believe?
No.
How?
Cheating किया.
नहीं मैंने cheating किया. जो भी है सामने है. Cool. Dark
थोड़ा
soya
chili,
sauce. Yeah. 1 hour. It's हाँ it's me बड़ा तो
बस
Ooh, I can even see how bad this looks.
ज़्यादा भी हो रहा है
Oh my god. You see how it is looking? And mine is looking pretty good, but
So next ये आएगा तुझे अभी
mayonnaise. Okay, भगवान मेरे साथ है basically just first खराब दे दिया and then all good.
तो भी ठीक है एडजस्ट
हाँ किटकैट तो मैं निकाल के खा लूंगी और फिर पिज्जा खाऊंगी. I like mayonnaise. जैसे डालना है डाल दीजिए.
बस
बस बस बस. Okay.
So next is mine.
Next is yours. अभी अच्छा निकालना ना दो back to back. No, I not say anything. Don't worry.
Corn chips. क्या बन रहा है पिज़्जा बना रही है क्या बना रही
I guess आप भी मेरा ही खा सकते हो. Okay, so I'm just adding up the corn chips. That हो गया. And good enough.
है चला
Oh my God, just look at it. Okay. अभी
दो बाकी है
we have capsicum, jaljeera. I get capsicum. I get capsicum.
पिज़्जा है
I get capsicum. jaljeera. मीठा तीखा अब खट्टा बाकी था वो भी आ गया. वाह सब कुछ एक ही पिज्जा में मिल रहा है मुझे. अमेजिंग राइट.
This much is
थोड़ा यार
इतना
थोड़ा बस.
पूरी
ओके तो अभी आपका कैप्सिकम ही बचा है. नो पॉइंट. यू वांट टू ओपन?
No? It's fine.
Okay, I'll just open it for you, just for the sake. Capsicum. And here we have the capsicum. It goes in. You are very colorful
Colourful.
pizza. You are very,
Colourful.
very colorful pizza.
खाने में नहीं है ना अच्छा
अब खाओगे तो पता चलेगा.
बस
ना मुझे प्यारा लगा ना.
बस
मेरा ब्लै है.
अब खाली खाली
हाँ कोई कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. See, your pizza is full stuffed.
It's fine.
Looking nice. And mine is bleh.
So let's bake it.
Yeah, I'll just add cheese. Cheese दोनों पे जाने वाली है and then we'll just
Nice.
bake it. Which will make it better.
थोड़ा अच्छा लगा
हाँ चीज में थोड़ा अच्छे से जाना. और चीज में थोड़ा अच्छे से जाना वरना फिर तो बस हो गया रुचि चिल्लाने लग जाते.
Let's toppings को डालना
No. Let's add it.
थोड़ा
It's good. It's looking pretty good. Yours is pretty
Full
heavy
color,
also. और मेरा तो बहुत light है. Okay, fine. We'll just bake this pizza and we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Yes, so we are back with our baked pizza.
Pizzas.
It doesn't look any good, but I'll
मेरा
just
फिर भी
insert
बहुत अच्छा
the.
लग रहा है
अच्छा लग रहा है यार, no doubt. But let's see. जलजीरा और किटकैट सब मेल्ट हो गया. किटकैट.
सब अच्छा लग रहा है
किटकैट पूरी मेल्ट हो गई है.
Look at mine.
How is it looking? Okay, so whoever eats,
The pizza first.
yeah, the slice basically, not the whole pizza. ये तो मैं नहीं खा सकती. इसमें देखो यहाँ पे 3 में नहीं है किटकैट. वो मैं खा लूँ.
नहीं हाँ ऐसा नहीं है
पर मेरा ही तो पिज्जा है.
टॉपिंग्स पूरी आनी चाहिए
हाँ ठीक है फाइन. तो आपको भी मैं जो पीस बोलूँगी वो खाना पड़ेगा और
Yeah, it's fine.
सेम होगा. ठीक है. I have this one. ठीक है. I have this one.
We'll have this one.
This is very big.
So this one.
Okay, fine. Okay, so we have a slice in our hand. You're so ready to eat, like आप तो जीतने ही वाले हो. जो first खत्म करेगा वो जीत जाएगा. ठीक है.
It's fine.
आराम से खाओ यार. मेरा बहुत बेकार. वो तो किटकैट नहीं है तो यम है. किटकैट.
वैसे खराब नहीं लग रहा थोड़ा पोमोग्रेनेट खराब कर रहा है
जल्दी किटकैट खाओ.
Mine is tasty.
It's not good. अब टेस्ट करना चाहोगे?
I'm happy with it.
Without KitKat बहुत ज़्यादा.
विवेचना करची. I'm done.
Fuck you. I can't have this one. खाना पड़ेगा अब जी लो
So what?
बहुत गंदा है.
You will taste.
Sorry, I won't taste.
Okay, nothing to that. No. Chal. Abhi.
Finally,
Finally.
we are done. He's the winner, clearly. मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है ingredients में, but वो KitKat और जलजीरा राइस बहुत गंदा कॉम्बिनेशन है. but तुम्हारा भी तो डार्क सोया सॉस एंड पोमोग्रेनेट.
Tasty.
It's tasty, really.
Yeah. It
Okay.
was.
Weird choices you have. No, no. Very bad you are. Okay guys, so with this we come to an end to this video and we have the winner. Claps.
Thanks.
I'll beat you in the next one, okay?
You okay? It's 1-1.
But we enjoyed a lot. You should also try with your friends and do tag us if you
Yes.
do try, and also just like,
Comment.
share and subscribe
Subscribe.
to our channel, Your Lifestyle. Till then, bye. Okay, so we'll just
That's yours.
oh, I'm so sorry.